Hey, Gary.
Hey, Trish.
Sorry I'm late. I had to avoid some people. Do you have the money?
Yeah. 600. It's all there.
Perfect. It took me a while, but I got what you were looking for. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I have another appointment, so I have to get going. Take care of yourself, okay? Oh, and you didn't get it from me.
Well, I'm waiting. Pussy.
Hi, my name is Pierre Marks. You just saw a short scene from my new short film, A Look Inside. I'm the director and writer of the short film, and to give you a quick synopsis of what the short film is about, it's about a guy named Gary. He falls in love with a prostitute named Summer, and slowly, through that love, his world starts crashing down around him. I'm going to hand you over to my cinematographer, JD, over here.
Hi. Yeah, like you said, my name is JD. I'm the DP on this. As non-studio filmmakers, as independent filmmakers, we don't have the biggest budgets in the world. We don't have a lot of funding, and you know, it really helps out when generous people like yourselves help out us to make awesome pieces of art. Which
That's very true.
We can actually, like, you know, take people to worlds they've never been to before. You know, as cinema would go. But really, I mean, if you want to make a contribution to this movie, there are lots of great benefits to doing so, which Perry here can tell you more about if he would like to. But go ahead, yeah.
Okay.
If you'd like to.
Some of the prizes will be a signed script, your own personalized DVD, T-shirt, possibly a poster, as well as your name in the film. As a, what is it, producer or
Executive producer?
Executive producer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if you've ever had your movie or your name in the credits of a movie before, but I know it's kind of a cool feeling. So if you want to like have that real cinema experience, maybe you should, I don't know, donate some money or something.
And us as filmmakers, you know, we really would love to put this in short film festivals. So through funding from you guys, that would help us out a lot.
Yeah, and then your name would literally be touring the country to film festivals. People would like know who you are that you've never met before. How
Exactly.
crazy is that? So,
well, thank you for your time, and hope you like the video.